Well, good morning. So I am happy to report that the gallery wall is complete. I'll show you guys. Isn't it pretty? I'll give you a closer look, but we have a few more things in the office, so it's looking a little less bare bones in here. Okay, so here is the gallery wall from this angle when you first walk in. And then we also got some plants. And these are all real deal plants, nothing plasticky here. And even in Amanda's treatment room, don't mind the jacket. That is not part of the decor. But we have these gorgeous plants here, including, of course, pink flowers. The only thing that worries me about having flowers is that they don't stay bloomed all year, so eventually we might have to replace these with some fake plastic ones, but for right now they're lovely to have. And then we have this ivy, which is not draping yet because it's just a little baby one, but hopefully it'll just drape all the way down this shelf. And yeah, I think, oh wait, we also added this little thing. So no more cardboard box here, and this holds our drape sheets. So, and yeah, last thing, well, not last thing, but one of the last things, that's right, Amanda knows, we want to replace these two bins. This is for towels, and then that is garbage. So, but it's really hard to find nice looking cans. Trash cans. Trash cans.
Come on. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you.
So look at Amanda's new lunchbox, and when she came in here and showed it, she was gloating. Wow, look at that.
I know.
And this is really keeping things cool, y'all. Is it supposed to, is it insulated? No,
actually,
okay.
It's not.
Never mind, I'm falsely advertising it.
It is still cool.
Yeah, it's really cute. So this is Amanda's back to school lunch pail.
Yes.
Yes.
It says lunch, so
yes.
Nobody can get confused. It's not dinner or breakfast.
That's right.
And it's Amazon.
Show them your really purified water. Look how pure this water is.
The lakes of Minnetonka.
Yes.
It's called Mio.
Camera is not focusing on that. This is the purest water I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty clear. And it's
from the Swiss Alps.
Flavor. Which
so
is
pure.
Better for her. That's not even a
yes.
word. Oh my god.
Well, thank you for making me jealous.
Yeah, of course. And people on Amazon said it's probably better as a purse. What? Soul Sisters bringing this as a purse? Going shopping today. My lunch.
Let's hit up the mall with our lunch. Yes, so we are here in front of you to show you my new shoes that were also part of the original gift card from this lady for my birthday. So these ones are added to the collection. Okay, and then the other thing is that when I first walked in today, I thought we were matching again because look at this. Look at this. We look like we're matching, right?
This is great.
But it's stripy.
It is. It's a zebra.
Yeah. But what do they say? Zebra stripes.
Are usually black, but Express did it wrong. They did gray. Sorry.
Anyway, I think we almost matched again. Right?
I'm sorry. Jamming to the classical music in the background.
There's classical music back here. But yeah, other than that, we are actually going to do our first sit-down acne videos together. So Amanda's used to these vlogs now, but she's never done a sit-down acne video with me. Okay, so we are setting up for these sit-down videos, and We both were wondering why the hell do we choose to wear stripes today?
Bad idea. Bad idea.
We look this
Horizontal.
much
We need
bigger.
vertical.
Yeah, we need vertical.
We're petite,
you know?
I swear.
Yeah. She's more petite than me, but
please.
you know.
It's because I only eat bananas.
So we just filmed our first sit-down video. She did good, I think. We'll know once we review the footage. She's like,
It'll get better.
Yeah, it'll get better. We'll see once we review the footage. So we covered 2 topics. Are you eating? You can eat. Don't worry about me. So we covered 2 topics. Yeah, I'll get you in the frame eating. No, you probably want privacy. We covered 2 topics. One was about purging, and then the other one was on if we eat dairy. And yes, we do. But wait for that video to come out to see exactly the details of that. So in the meantime, Amanda here is enjoying her.
It is.
Will tell us. Yeah.
Cream cheese on celery with everything bagel. No, everything spice.
Everything but the bagel seasoning.
There you go. Everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's.
From Trader Joe's. Let's get a close up on these.
They're good.
She's probably like, let me just eat it. Yes. Yeah, so that everything bagel seasoning literally goes on everything.
Literally.
Yeah, literally. This is the adult version of ants on a log.
Better.
Yeah, better. So, did you have dairy for breakfast?
I had a banana. It's because I only eat bananas.
Perfect. And actually, I was just got her lunch bag, y'all.
I told you my yogurt is on.
Oh shoot, she did not lie. She did not lie. So I just feel like saying more about, but I can't because it's all in the video. Okay, you know what? Okay. Here's the gist of the video, y'all. But promise me you're still gonna watch it when it comes out because we need the views. So the gist of the video is that yes, we eat dairy, but we keep it in moderation. And the way that we do that is making sure that we do not eat dairy like all throughout the entire day. So her little breakfast banana is not dairy. So that's a check.
It was not.
Yeah, it was not. And then for lunch, see, she is having dairy. It's the cream cheese on the celery. Yes, on the celery. And she could have gone astray by also doing dairy-based yogurt, but she picked the almond milk-based yogurt.
Without the soy.
Without the soy.
Because they do make it that way.
Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no.
No.
No, no, no. Yeah. So I need to do a video on soy. People ask about that too. Soy is not good for acne either. But yeah, so back to dairy. The key is moderation, so we do enjoy it. But yeah.
Mine's in my bag. But yay.
Hers is in her bag. But please still watch the video because we go more into depth there. But yeah, so that is that. I will let Amanda continue having her lunch in peace.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me. I got to hold you. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to